Hey Primary 3 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final question of your assessment paper number 6, and this one is the most challenging of the lot. So let's take a look at the question and see how we can tackle these questions when it comes out in the exam, for example. So let's take a look at it. It says that Mr. Tan is 36 years older than his son. Okay, that's the first one. Now 10 years ago, his son was 17 years old. Okay, now it said find the total age of the three persons now if Mrs. Tan is 8 years younger than Mr. Tan. How do we do this? So Mr. Tan is 36 older than his son. Okay, 10 years ago his son was 17 years old. So how old is he now? You see, 10 years ago he was 17 years old. So let's imagine first. Let's draw first. Okay, let's draw. This is Mr. Tan. Okay, Mr. Tan. Okay, Mr. Tan. He's a little old, so he's gonna have some beard over here, and he's got very little hair. And this is Mr. Tan. Okay, Mr. Tan. Okay, well, he looks very young actually. I don't know why. Okay, Mr. Tan is 36 years older than his son. So 36 years older. Older means what? That means you plus or minus? Plus, correct. Okay, the next one is his son, who looks a bit like him. Okay, his son. That's his son. Okay, used to be 10 years ago. 10 years ago, he was 17 years old. Okay, and then it says that find the total age of the three persons or the three people now if Mrs. Tan is 8 years younger than Mr. Tan. So Mrs. Tan, then we have Mrs. Tan over here. All have the same hairstyle and the same head shape. Okay, so she is how many years old? She is 8 years younger than Mr. Tan. Okay, so how do we do this question? First off, we need to find out how old they are now, right? So now, this was 10 years ago, he was 17 years old. So how old is he now? He is actually now 10 years old, no, 17 years old plus 10, because 10 years has already passed. For example, right now you are how old are you? You are 7 years old. No, you are 9 years old. 10 years ago, no, that's wrong. Example. Okay, let's example. Example, I'm 23 years old right now. Okay, 10 years ago, I was actually 13. Okay, which means that now I am actually plus 10. So 27, same thing over here. So step 1 is 17 plus 10. You will get the answer of 27 years old. So that's how old his son is. Okay, his son is 27 years old right now. Now the next question, it says that Mr. Tan is 36 years older than his son. So 36 years older means he's 36 plus 27. Wow, 36 plus 27 is going to give you what? 36 plus 27 is going to give you the answer of 63. So Mr. Tan is 63 years old. Wow. Now he is 63. And how old is Mrs. Tan? Mrs. Tan is 8 years younger than Mr. Tan. That means she is 63 minus 8. So you get the answer of 55 now. So now it's 55. So what's the total age of all together? 63 plus 27 plus 55. 63 plus 27 plus 55 is going to give you the answer of 6, 7, 8, 9, 145. Okay, let's take out our handy dandy calculator one last time to check the answer. 63 plus 27 plus 55 is going to give you the answer of 145, and I am a math prodigy. Alright, and that's it. Okay, it's all pure logic. Draw it out, you can start seeing it already. Alright, so that brings me to the final part of this video, which is the quote of the week. I can't stress this enough. The secret to life, the secret to success is to get momentum. If you don't feel like doing something, if you feel lazy or something, you have to get up, push yourself, and just do it. Okay? Once you do it for a moment, you begin to build momentum after a while. And that momentum will help you to understand so many more things, and they're going to give you more results with less effort. So please build momentum. I know it's tough. I know it's tough to get stuck for a while. But all we have to do is we have to keep pushing, just like that strong man. Keep pulling. Even if you fall down, we keep pulling, and it begins to move a bit, and begins to move a meter, and it becomes 100 meters, and so on and so forth. Keep pushing for a moment. Build momentum. That is my my success quote of the week. That is his quote Saiful signing off, saying, "You are a math prodigy. Good job."